What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? Well, today is vlog number 8. I think I'm going for a quick bike ride, and I'll make a cool collage for you guys today. Yo, so me and Chris riding.
What's up, y'all?
Hey, we're probably gonna go to my house, check out my lizards and shit. How you doing? Wanna be in the vlog? You're gonna be in the vlog. Hey, what's up, Chris?
Yes, Chris.
Yo, me and Chris out here.
What's up, homies?
There's Eric and the ladies.
Eric, I love you.
They're kidding. We're just chilling right now. Eric. All right, so we out here playing ball.
What did you just say?
Chris. What's up, Chris?
What's up, yo?
It's hard with one hand. Boom.
Wait, give me Duncan.
I would be scared. It was high up.
So I just got back home, checking on the little lizards. How they doing? They're doing good. I'm actually growing cat grass in here. I got a big bag of it right here. It's like wheatgrass. Oops, there's a hole in it. It's like what you grind up and make like flour and stuff. Anyway, but you can see it's barely coming up. Next time you'll see it, it'll probably be like 4 inches tall. But that's their cage, and they're doing good. You guys good? Huh? You good boy, huh? Good boy, Rex. Little tug back there. Yeah, they're doing good. Good boy? Yep. Hey, so we having a bonfire right now, and I think we're gonna get pizza soon. There's the Chris Dynamic Bogs. Dynamic Bogs. Hey.
Megan, why would you?
Chill, dude. I'm not trying to.
My leg can't do
Can you
that
please
thing.
get down?
Oh my
there?
God, Megan, we could do that thing where it's like.
Chill.
Look at them. What the hell are they doing? Oh my God. All right, me and Eric going to get pizza right now for the campfire. Hey. So we made it. Me and Eric made it. Me and you. Me and you. I'm just watching the bikes out here. He's grabbing a pizza right now. All right, so I got a little iced tea. Eric got the pizza and a lemonade. All right, now we gotta head home. All right, so we got the pizza, no hander. Hey. Now Now we heading back to the campfire, and then they're gonna eat the pizza. Krusty Krab! That's a bomb.
What if I were to like steal
Just
yours
like
off?
you should. My neck. My back. Like back. Oh my God.
Yo, play that song, Eric.
Look at all this smoke. That's crazy. The night is officially over. Alright, so the bonfire's over. We heading home now. Me, Eric, and Chris. So I've been riding. Just getting home now, or about to be. It's a long ride from where I live. It's kind of fucked up, but oh well. What's this? I just found this.
Oh my God. Get away from me. No.